This is question 3 from the Junior Mathematical Challenge of 2025. How many of the following numbers are factors of 2025? Hello, my name is Teresa. I've been a maths teacher for over 20 years. If you like solving maths problems, I'm here to help coach you. Many students might go straight in and try to do brute force this by doing a long division. You've got 5 numbers there to do long division, so that would be quite time consuming. So stick with me, I can show you a better way. Okay, let's look at the number 2025. The first thing I'm going to do is break it into factors. 25 goes into 2025. How many times does it go? It goes 81 times. And 25 can be broken into 5 times 5. And 81 can be broken into 9 times 9. This is called a factor tree. 9, I can take that as 3 times 3 and another 3 times 3. And then I have to stop because 5 and 3 are both prime numbers. So what we're going to do now is, 2025 is 5 times 5 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now how's that going to help us? By breaking 2025 down into its prime factors, we can turn what was a tricky long division problem into a very easy multiplication problem. Let me show you how. Now we're ready to answer the question. Remember that 2025 is 5 times 5 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So to see if 15 is a factor, all we need to do is see if we can use these numbers to make 15, and we can. 15 is 5 times 3, which means that 15 is a factor. It's 5 times 3 times 3 times 3 left, a factor. 25 is 5 times 5. 25 is a factor. 45 is 5 times 9, which is 5 times 3 times 3. Do we have enough? Yes, we've got a 5, a 3 and a 3, so we can. 75 is 25 times 3. 25 is 5 times 5, so it's 5 times 5 times 5 times 3. Have we got enough? Yes, we have. And lastly, 225. I can see that 25 goes into 225. It goes into 9 times, so it must be 5 times 5 times 3 times 3. And again, we have 5, 5, 3 and 3, which means that 225 is also a factor. So that's it. The answer is all of them. They were all factors. Factorising comes up a lot in the Junior Mathematical Challenge and the Olympiad, and so getting good at doing it will speed you up considerably, and it in fact will allow you to answer questions that otherwise you'd just never be able to answer. So hopefully I've convinced you that this is a good method. Give it a go.